Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Today, I am going to teach you about chapter 13, ways to multiply and divide. And today's topic is word problems based on multiplication and division. Okay, dear students. Now let's start question number 25. Question number 25 is the cost of 16 books is rupees 3600. Find the cost of 27 such books. Okay, dear students, in this question, here given that the cost of 16 books is rupees 3600. Okay, and we find that the cost of 27 such books. Dear students, in this question, firstly, we have to find the cost of one books. The cost of one book. It means that in this process, we have to take the division of 3600 by 16. After dividing these, we get the cost of one books. Okay, we get the cost of one book. Then again we have to take multiplication of the cost of one book and 27. Okay, dear students, after multiplying the given result, we get the cost of 27 such books. Okay, it means that we get the result of this question. It means that we get the answer of this question. Okay, dear students, now let's start the solution of question number 25. Here given that the cost of 16 books is equal to rupees 3600. Okay, dear students, then the cost of one book, means that the cost of one book is equal to, dear students, for finding the cost of one book, we have to divide 3600 by 16. Okay, look at here carefully. We can write here rupees 3600 by 16. It means that 6000. It means that 3600 over 16. Okay students, now we have to take arrangement for division of 3600 by 16. Okay students, recall table of 16. 16 to the 16 to the yes 32. After subtracting these we get 6 goes to 2 is 4 and 3 goes to 3 is 0. It means that cancel out, and here we have to take 0. Okay, 16 to the 32. After subtracting these, 0 goes to, dear students, look at here carefully. We know that 0 is less than 2. Therefore, we have to take 1 borrow from 4 and 0 makes 10. Okay, 10 goes to 2 is 8, and here we get 3 in place of 4, and 3 goes to 3 is 0. It means that cancel out, and here again we have to take 0. Okay, 16 5 is 80, 16 5 is 80, and 80 goes to 80 is 0. It means that cancel out. Okay, then we get the cost of one book. The cost of one book is equal to 225 rupees. Okay students, 225 rupees. Okay students, then the cost of 27 such books is equal to, dear students, for finding the cost of 27 such books, we have to take multiplication of 225 by 27. Then we get our result. Okay, look at here carefully. Here we have to take the multiplication of 225 by 27. Okay, 27. Dear students, look at here carefully. Here we have to take, look at here. Here we have to take arrangement for multiplication of 225 by 27. Okay, look at here carefully. Firstly, we have to take multiplication of 7. 7 5 is 35. 35 of 5 carry 3. Dear students, please keep in mind, here we get carry 3. 7 5 is 35 of 5 carry 3. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is, yes, 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 of 7 carry 1. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, again we have to take multiplication by 2. Multiply by 2. 2 5 is 10. 10 of 0 carry 1. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5, and 2 2 is 4. Okay, after adding these we get 505. It means 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 of 0 carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. We get 6075. It means that 6075. Okay, students, it means that the cost of 27 such books is equal to rupees 6075. How many? Yes, 6075 rupees. Okay, dear students, please write in math fair copy. If you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number or contact me. Okay, now read this. Okay. Okay. Okay, dear students. Now let's start question number 27. Okay, dear students. Now let's start question number 26. A factory produces 5625 toy cars in 25 days. How many toy cars will be manufactured in 18 days? Okay, dear students, look at here carefully. In question number 26, okay, dear students, look at here carefully. In question number 26, here given that a factory produces 5625 toy cars in 25 days, and we find that the total number of toy cars will be manufactured in 18 days. Okay, dear students, look at here carefully. Firstly, we have to find that the total number of toy cars produced by a factory in one day. Okay, in this process, we have to take division of 5625 by 25. Okay, then we get the total number of toy cars produced by a factory in one day. Okay, now let's start the solution of question number 26. Look at here carefully. Here given that the total number of toy cars produces by a factory in is equal to 5625 toy cars. 5625. Okay, this ones. Then the total number of toy cars produces by a factory in one day is equal to distance. Here we have to take the division of 5625 by 25. It means that we can write here 5625 over 25. Okay, after solving these we get the total number of toy cars produced by a factory in one day. Now here we have to take the division of 5625 by 25. 25 to the 50. After subtracting these we get here 6 goes to 0 is 6 and here 0, it means that cancel out, and here we have to take 2. 25 to the yes 50. After subtracting these here we get 2 goes to 0 is 2 and 6 goes to 5 is 1, and here we have to take 5. 25 5 yes 125. After subtracting these we get here all 0, it means that all cancel out. Then we get 225. 225. It means that the total number of toy cars produced by a factory in one day is equal to 225 toy cars. Okay, dear students, look at here. Here we find that the total number of toy cars manufactured in 18 days. Okay, the total number of toy cars will be manufactured in 18 days. Then we have to take the multiplication of 225 by 18. Okay, look at here carefully. Then the total number of toy cars will be manufactured by a factory in 18 days is equal to distance. Here we have to take the multiplication of 225 by 18. Okay, it means that here we can write 225 multiplied by 18. Okay, now let's start the multiplication of 18 in 225. Look at here carefully. 8 5 40. 40 of 0 carry 4. Dear friends, please keep in mind here we get carry 4. 8 to the 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. Yes, 20 of 0 carry 2. 8 to the 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, 1 5 5. 1 to the 2 and 1 to the 2. After adding this we get 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 of 0 carry 1, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Here we get 4050. Here we get 4050 toy cars. It means that the total number of toy cars will be manufactured by a factory in 18 days is 4050. Okay, dear students, it means that 4050 toy cars will be manufactured by a factory in 18 days. Okay. Okay, distance, if you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, okay, distance. Now you raise it. Question number 27. Question number 27 is the cost of 6 liters of fuel is rupees 420. How much will 27 liter of fuel cost? Okay, students, look at here carefully. In this question, you are given that the cost of 6 liter of fuel is rupees 420. Then we find that how much will 27 liter of fuel cost. Okay, it means that the cost of 27 liters fuel. Okay, now let's start the solution of question number 17. Look at here carefully. We are given that the cost of 6 liters of fuel is equal to rupees 420. Okay, then the cost of 1 liter of fuel is equal to, dear students, for finding the cost of 1 liter of fuel, then we apply the division of this by this. Okay, it means that here we have to take the division of 4020 by 6. Okay, after dividing this, look at here carefully. Look at here carefully. We have to take the division of 420 by 6. 6 7 ja 42. After subtracting these, here we get 0. It means that cancel out, and here we have to take 0 as same. Okay, 6 0 ja 0. It means that here we get 70. In that 70. Then the cost of 1 liter of fuel is equal to 70 rupees. Okay. Therefore, the cost of 27 liters of fuel is equal to, dear students, we have to take multiplication of 70 by 727 for finding the cost of 27 liter of fuel. Okay. Now we have to take the multiplication of 70 by 27. 7 0 is 0, 7 7 is 49. 2 0 is 0 and 2 7 is 14. After adding these, we get 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 0 is 9, 4 plus 4 is 8, and here 1. It means that 1890 rupees. Okay, distance. It means that the cost of 27 liter of fuel is 1890 rupees. Okay, distance. Dear students, please write in maths fair copy. If you have any doubt of this solution, then please call me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.